That's it. What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Z and Abs, Abs Project. Bring you another episode of the lovely Audi A3 S-Line. Abs, so far so good?
So far so good. Yes, been hard work, but we're getting there.
We're getting there. So
And we got dogs barking at the back.
dogs barking in the back. Even they enjoying even the audience is enjoying it. So far so good. Mechanical is all sorted out now. The car starts, drives perfectly fine. It's all aligned. So in this episode I think we need to do the front end of it really, because it's still missing.
Yep.
If you take it to the front, so as you can see, this side wing's perfectly fine. We're missing the front bumper, we're missing the headlight, and we're missing the front wing. So hopefully this episode that will be all done, hopefully put on together. Apart from that, in the previous episode we just did the mechanical bit. So apart from front bumper, front wing, front headlight, we also need to sort the interior out, which is the airbag deployed. So let's not waste no more time, let's get cracking. What's it called? Audi Brilliant Black.
Yeah. So let me see if I grab it.
We haven't even put a clear coat on that yet.
So I was gonna say. So we got from Halford's one.
Yeah. You know what? I wasn't really sure about Halford's paint. I had a bad review about it. Like it's too thin. You know, it drips and whatnot.
Obviously, first time we tried it, and
but look at that.
It came out. Now what we're gonna do is obviously 3 layers of lacquer, and then obviously wet sand, and then put it back on there, and then we'll polish it all up and see how it comes up.
So I mean that compared to
that, there's nothing there.
Yeah, all right, yeah, that.
Well, show the bumper. That's the color.
Compared to this side here, I mean, look at that.
Show them the bumper, the original color it was before.
Oh, the bumper, yes. So this was original color. I mean, they saw it when we were painting anyway, but this was original color, and this is the bumper replacement we're gonna put on. Obviously, we've got the grille, which we removed, and this is the damage on the bumper, which we're gonna sort out now, right?
Yeah. So hopefully, what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna repair
bumper
this.
repair.
So yeah, plastic bumper repair. What we're gonna do is hopefully heat the bumper from the back, and then we're gonna push this flat, so it's gonna be like a curve. And once we've done that, then obviously we're gonna try to sort this crack out here, and then just put a bit of a
fiber filler.
And as the American brother said, bondo it, or body filler, and then just sand it and just put it into shape.
I mean, ideally, if you could have a replacement bumper which is not damaged perfect, but obviously we got this now. So what we got, we're going to use this block here to make it flat. And we've got this torch to heat this side up here. And yeah, let's see how it goes. So,
yeah, so we got that part there that we're going to heat up. So we're going to straight from the front, and then we got this crack here. But this one's already been placed. We're just going to fill it up with some plastic weld and just keep it in position.
Yeah, so let's get cracking. Yeah, looking nice so far. Look at that, look at that transformation.
On this, I mean, look, we had all the rips sticking out, bulging out. Now it's like a straight line. Yeah, still imperfections are there.
Yeah, but I think we need to do a guide coat or even like a grey primer, and then that should bring out a lot more.
Yeah,
so we'll have to stand back a lot more, but apart from that, it is looking epic.
Got that, and then obviously we got this bottom part here. So that this is like flush. Literally, it's like a smooth flush finish in the top there. So yeah, it's getting there now. Obviously, like I said, we'll do the guide coat on that side, and then see where the obviously little highs and low pitches on that side is.
I mean, we've obviously wet sanded the whole bumper as well, haven't we? So
yeah,
pretty much ready for primer, I think. High coat primer, give it a little more sand back, get rid of the imperfections, and then onto the base coat lacquer, and then obviously give it a little detail, get the shine out, mirror finish, and on the Audi. Yeah, can't wait. So
so it's, as they say, an Audi Brilliance Black. Okay, it's funny how many different blacks you get.
yeah. So let's not waste no more time. Let's get cracking. Let's finish this bumper off. That was some hard work over there, Abs. What do you reckon? So far, so good?
So far, so good.
We smashed this interior out. The old airbag, which is deployed, was straight in the bin. We got the front wing sprayed. We got the front bumper repaired. We got the full interior put back together. I reckon we done good. We smashed it.
We have. To be honest, when we bought this car, I wasn't thinking it would be that much work. I thought it'd be, you know what, wouldn't be a front that much of a. Get some black panels, put it back on. Airbag wise, we've never done these side curtain airbags before. So it's something new to us. Yeah, the rear quarter panels left. Obviously, the interior is all done. Mechanical side is all done. So
yeah, nice. We got rear quarter left. We got the front body left, but
it's mainly it's bodywork, isn't it?
Yeah, bodywork. I mean, in terms of like bodywork, you're right. We were gonna get another black panels and just do a little swap over, which would have been better.
Yeah, but then
again,
there's a lot of black different codes on the Audi.
Yeah.
As well, so that's another headache.
This was the first time we actually sprayed it with spray cans, haven't we? First paint job we've done. Officially,
other than the Skyline.
All right, yeah, other than the Skyline, which is a full, that was a huge project.
Yeah, but that was a matte black. Obviously, that was it's easy to spray.
Yeah, no clear cut, nothing. But
with this one, you got to blend in now. We got to do a lot of spray, lacquer, polish to blend the whole painting with the rest of the car.
That's right. We'll smash out. But on the next episode, hopefully, rear quarter, front bonnet, what else? Rear light put back on, and we'll have all the front bumper painted, front bumper, front wing put back on, headlight put back on, the brackets put back on. Too much to do, not enough time.
Yeah, I think what's holding us back mainly is this rear quarter now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a huge job.
Yeah, it is. We
were contemplating on giving it to someone else, like a bodywork, but I reckon we should tackle it ourselves.
Yeah, that's how we're gonna learn. Obviously, you know what, we're not professionals, but we're learning as we're going along. We're help from YouTube, from other YouTubers, Google and stuff like that. You just gotta be on it. Just keep
put your mind to it.
Yeah, definitely. Just keep searching. If you're out there trying to do this kind of stuff, why not try yourself?
Yeah, learn as you go along.
Of course, as damaged as it is, what's the worst going to happen? We're going to mess up a bit more than if we
give it to bodywork anyway.
Yeah, of course, why not? They're going to charge you the same amount anyway.
I like your thinking.
Got to think positive,
Got to think positive. Alright guys, well that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video so far. An epic build, hell of a journey. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We'll see you in the next one.